Let's analyze together what's happening in NIO.
Let's go. Welcome to Trading HT. Remember to read the disclaimer right here and also in the description below. Very interesting. We are trading inside this parallel channel to the downside. We are approaching the lower side of it. What do you think, guys? Do you think the price will bounce from that levels as it happened, acting as a resistance in 2019 and 2020 and breaking out from there with that incredible upside until more or less $67? Wow, what a ride. Or will it continue going lower? What do you think? Let us know in the comments below. Let's get started with NIO.
Also, remember to subscribe to Trading HT to see more videos like this, and let's begin with NIO the Truth. Actually, we have a special edition, a special video today, and we're gonna discuss exactly what they are doing, what they've been doing over the last year, and the current situation, because the current situation is not good. Actually, it has never been good. They have been in losses. We can clearly see right here the net income that all quarters have been negative. So no, you cannot deny that. But the thing here is like they're investing a lot of on research and development. That maybe that's one of the reasons that we have behind it. But also we need to compare actually the current situation with what happened with Tesla back then, because I'm gonna explain you why. Because we're watching right here the net income, okay? So what happened here is like Tesla experienced like a similar situation that NIO is experiencing today. Let me explain exactly what happened. So Tesla was in between 2015 and 2018. They were in losses. We're talking about 2015. The losses were like minus 800 million. 2016, 674 million, and the next in 2017 almost 2 billion, and in 2018 minus 1 billion. So that means, you compare this to the current situation with NIO, it's very similar actually, and actually they were selling around the same cars, more than 100.
Yeah, we can see also that with the net income during 2021, the middle of the year, they were with a negative income of minus 100 million, so less than Tesla at that time. But well, not at the same time with Tesla, but I mean in the previous years that Tesla has those results. And very interesting to see that information about the research and development investment, because obviously if you are investing in that, it's like you are not making that profit in the present, you are putting a lot of capital right there, but it's like you are investing for the future. You are putting that bet that in the future your company will develop something new, will discover something that will give you that advantage that a lot of companies are looking for. And more in this EV market, because we have to mention also that there is a lot of competition. Also, we can say that all car manufacturers, right now are focused on electric vehicles. Maybe they are also in the other type of vehicles, the typical ones, but they are approaching this sector also because there are benefits there and there is a lot of interest. And Xiaomi, for example, has released not very long ago a new EV, the SU7, I think it's called, and the price is ranging from $29,000 to $41,000 more or less, and it's a very good car, at least from what you can see in the picture. We are not experts in cars, but there is a lot of hype around it. If you know more information about this car, or if you are interested, let us know below in the comments so we can learn from you. But the thing is that the competition in the EV market is very, very high.
Yeah, look at that. It's like a Porsche Taycan. It's like, is that you really? Yeah. Okay, well, we can tell about Xiaomi. I mean, the price is around 30. It ranges between $29,000 and 42,000. I mean, it's a pretty cheap car in comparison to the prices of NIO, but NIO, they also have like a very cheap car, so to speak, But, the portfolio, and you can clearly see right here, actually, the portfolio of NIO, they have actually 9 different models available in the EV market. I think it's a good portfolio. You think about it, you forget about the net income and you just watch the portfolio they have. I think it's quite good.
Yeah, exactly. It's it's interesting. At least they have products. They are trying to sell them. They are also innovating with that battery swap that they have. You can, if you don't have time to charge the battery, you can go like to a swap parking. I don't know the exact name right now.
Swap station. It's insane.
Yes, exactly. Swap station. That was the name. And there are videos online that you can see like they change the battery and they put one that is charged, so it's very fast. But you have to have one near. It's not that beautiful as it seems at first, but obviously that's something innovative. It's something that, for example, we don't have in Europe right now.
Yeah, exactly. Maybe, the system I think is pretty good, pretty innovative. Only Chinese can do something like this, in that sense. That peculiar way to finding a
Yeah,
solution.
if you know any other country with that is available, let us know below, because here in Europe we don't have that. Maybe we don't know exactly in some country they have it, but it's not that common in my opinion. So if you know any countries that have it, let us know in the comments.
Yeah. So also let's take a look at the 9 cars they are selling you, because they it can be bought. They can be bought not only in China but in some parts of Europe. We're talking about Norway, Germany, the Netherlands, Sweden, and Denmark. I don't know if you know it, but that's very interesting because they are starting to expand the business, and maybe that's one of the reasons that a game changing. If they make if they have like a way to reverse losses, is just by providing the vehicles abroad, not only in China.
Yeah, we have to say like the numbers during 2021 and 2022 were more or less, if we don't have the number wrong, 1,550 cars sold in Europe. Not a lot, but you have to start in a way, So very interesting to know that they are trying to expand also, and they are trying a lot of things. They investors have hype around this stock because we can clearly see like the price action in the past was completely crazy. We could see this uptrend during 2019, 2020, and the start of 2021. That upside movement was more than 500%, 5,000%, sorry, 5,600%. Very interesting. So maybe in the future we could see something like that if they continue to reverse those losses, or the research and development investment pays that price that they are looking for. But also we could see the opposite and the price going lower again. So very interesting right now. The price is just in the middle of these 2 points, we could say. So what do you think? Let us know in the comments.
Yeah, here you can see the top 20 sales, EV sales in China in the last year in 2023. Clearly, you cannot find NIO because it's not over there. You cannot find in the top 20 a NIO vehicle, and that's the reality. Maybe one of the reasons is like they have a lot of different vehicles as well. They have more, they have 9, but they have a lot of competition. They have BYD, and then we have Tesla as well. They are selling vehicles everywhere, making incredible and record numbers. Actually, last year they made more than $10 billion. It's insane. So the EV market right now is there is a lot of competition at this moment in an environment that is there is not so much demand. I gotta say. I mean, they were expecting more sales in the EV market.
Yeah, that's also another reason that could be behind this price action that we see in some EV stocks, EV shares. So, for instance, let's see the analysts what they have to say. We have the forecast right here in TradingView, and it's very interesting because right now, how are they trying apparently to reverse this situation? How are they trying to improve? They are trying to optimize costs. They are improving the operational efficiency, and they are also expanding, as we mentioned, the product lineup and the market presence globally. So will they make it or not? Let's see what the analysts have to say to this.
Yeah, interestingly, they are expecting a rebound in the stock price, even though the losses are still there. The forecast, it looks a little bit better, but like the EPS is going to go up exponentially over the coming years, and you can clearly see that in the annual EPS forecast. Look at that. I mean, if they make it, they will probably in 2028 they will be in profits.
Yeah, very interesting. That forecast seems very vertical. They are approaching that level of -1, then minus 0.881, then 0.50, and from there 0.20. And maybe in 2018, we don't have the data right here, but they expect those profits, or at least very, very close to that. What could be a very good news, for this stock, at least for investors that are looking for that. So we have right now the maximum one plus 132%, $10 more or less, the average plus 60%, and the minimum one minus 10%. We are talking about 27 analysts offering 1 year price forecast for NIO. Very interesting to take this data into account also, but the important thing is, what do you think, guys? Let us know below in the comments.
Okay, so guys, thank you very much for watching this video, and see you in the next one.
Remember to subscribe. Thank you very much. Welcome to Honest Traders. Have a nice week. Take care. Good luck.